What if we told you you could start a small business from something as simple as book accessories? And people are actually making real money from it right now. We're talking about trending, high demand, already selling products that people are buying on Etsy, TikTok, and Instagram every single day. And the crazy part, most people are still doing the wrong things, while a small group is quietly making money from this niche. We're not gonna waste any time. Let's break it down. The first idea is the aesthetic annotation kits. This is one of the strongest sellers in the entire book niche right now. People don't just read anymore. They want their books to look clean, beautiful, organized, and social media ready. People on TikTok, especially BookTok, are obsessed with making their books look aesthetic. Sell color-coded tabs, highlighters, minimalist pens, and annotation guide as starter kits, aesthetic bundles, or study and reading kits. Your price range can be from $15 to up to $40 per kit, and add digital guides for extra profits. The next idea is the identity-based book accessories. This is one of the biggest moneymaker psychology shift right now. People don't just buy products, they buy who they want to become. For example, Future Millionaire Bookmark, CEO in Progress Reading Kits, or Soft Life Reader Bundle. This connects reading to ambition, identity, and lifestyle transformation. It's not just a product, it's a statement, and this is where you can increase prices significantly. There's a huge profit potential because of the emotional value. Another idea is the reading productivity kits. This is where you move from cute products to serious business money, because now you're showing a real problem, which is most people don't stay consistent with reading or self-improvement. Bundle reading journals, highlighters, sticky notes, and bookmarks. Position it like Entrepreneur Focus Kit, Student Success Kit, 90-Day Self-Improvement Kit, or Level Up Your Life Kit. People are trying to get discipline, improve their life, and become more productive. And with a business like this, you will help them do just that. Price range can be between $25 to $100. Our next idea is the curated book gift boxes. This is one of the most stable and reliable ideas in the entire list. Why? Because people are always buying gifts. You can create theme boxes like Self-Growth Reset Box, Relax and Read Cozy Box, or Financial Freedom Starter Box. Include accessories, candles, journals, bookmarks, finger page holders, finger moisturizers, other aesthetic items, and an optional book. This idea has a high perceived value, it's an easy gifting option, and it works all year long, like birthdays and holidays. The price range can be within $30 to $120 depending on the gift items included. Up next is the book theme candles. This is not just a product, it's a feeling. Brand your candle like Rainy Reading Day, Cozy Library, or Coffee and Books. This business idea has a strong emotional connection. It's perfect for content like aesthetic videos, and it's great for bundling. Pair it with bookmarks and reading kits. Aim for a price range within $15 to $40. Now, this idea is for people who love sewing, and it's padded fabric sleeve that protects books. We will now show you the process of how we made a unique padded book sleeve while we talk about the remaining ideas and a few additional steps to consider when starting a book accessory business. Let's be real, book sleeves already exist, but most people are selling them differently. They sell them as book protection, and unfortunately, that doesn't sell well anymore. Instead, position your book sleeves as That Girl Reading Sleeve, Soft Life Book Sleeve, or CEO Reader Book Pouch. This connects to identity, aesthetic, and lifestyle, and that's what people are buying right now. Step 2. Use content to sell. And in this digital age, this is key. Content equals traffic, and traffic equals sales. Post videos like book accessories that changed my life. You're becoming that girl through reading, and that made me actually finish books. These are just a few examples. Of course, you can come up with creative ideas of your own. Step 3. Simply sell where people already buy. Etsy, TikTok Shop, Pinterest, Instagram, and farmers market pop-ups. Step 4. Build a brand and not just sell random products. Focus on a lifestyle like reading for financial freedom, self-growth reader, or soft life aesthetics. Avoid basic bookmarks is too saturated, generic book stands, and random low-value items. This saves you time and money because they are harder to sell without strong branding and marketing. Here's the truth with no sugarcoating. These ideas are not get-rich-quick ideas. But what they can do is help you make some money or provide you with an income if you position them correctly, you create content, and you build a brand. They will not work if you just list products and hope for the best, you copy without differentiation, and you ignore marketing. We hope one of these small business ideas caught your attention today. Comment below on the idea you'll be adding to your shop or using to create your small business. Thank you for watching, and until then, keep dreaming and keep believing in yourself. You got this. Enjoy the rest of the video.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I heart reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry